So just the other day, guys, I was thinking what would happen if blockchain and AI got together and collabed on a project. So guys, I searched for answers and guess what? I stumbled upon this unique project called Chatoshi AI. All right, so I'm inside the App Store now, guys. I'm going to go to search and I'm going to search Chatoshi. See what we got here. Here we go. It popped up. Download. Boom, that was quick. Ready to open her up. Welcome to your crypto AI co-pilot. Continue. Get all the answers to your crypto and Web3 questions. You won't get answers like this from Chatgpt. Looking lit, guys. In-depth historical data on thousands of coins at your fingertips. So easy access to KOL and coin sentiment before everyone else. All the key indicators in one place. Cut your research time by 90%. Start now. Let's do this, guys. So we're going to create an account here, but you can skip this process if you want, guys. It's not mandatory. So we're going to input our email. We're going to create a password here now.
A few moments later.
Okay, now I would like to ask Chatoshi several questions. Like, if you want to know certain details about specific coins, you can ask it here, guys. And that's the best thing about Chatoshi AI. It's really focused on giving you answers that's crypto-based. Say, for example, you want a technical analysis for a coin like Saucer Swap, or simply known as Sauce. So I'll just type, what is the technical analysis of Sauce? And let's see what we get. Drum roll, please. And there you have it. Here's the latest technical analysis for Saucer Swap Sauce. The relative strength index, or RSI, indicates neutral conditions, meaning that there is no clear overbought or oversold signal at this time, and the price action is stable. We also have information on the coin's moving average, convergence, divergence, and that the coin's price is within the Bollinger Bands range, which points to normal volatility. It even shows you all the related details for Saucer Swap, like current price, market capitalization, trading volume, and more. It also shows relative strength index analysis, MACD analysis, and so much more. Guys, this is truly revolutionary. Now, say for example, you want to know which coins are between $50 to $90 million market cap, but had more than 10% increase in the last 7 days. Let's just type that in and see what we'll get. Here it is showing several coins that have a market capitalization between $50 to $90 million and that have shown more than 10% increase in price in the last 7 days. You can see the topping list is Central African Republic meme, then Tokamak Network with Gearbox completing the top three, and look, displayed also there the market caps, the price range percentage in the last 7 days. Now, I'm wondering if there were existing rug pulls in crypto that people were talking about lately on social media. So I just type in what are the top 5 rug pulls that people are mentioning in social media in the last 7 days. Let's see what we get. And there you have it, guys. Over the past 7 days, several crypto rug pulls and scams have been trending topics on social media. Here are the main points from the most relevant social media conversations. Then you can see there all these conversations about significant rug pulls and scams. It also shows a list of rug pulls being mentioned in social media recently. We have Colscan, Orc AI, and a brief mention of FTX's collapse, which is there as well. Okay, let's now ask Chatoshi if it knows anything pertaining to Becker in the last 7 days. We'll just type in give key insights on Becker over the last 7 days. Okay, here we go. And there you go. Here are the key insights on Alex Becker over the last 7 days. Shout out to you, Becker, my boy. It shows Alex Becker's market commentary and strategy, which states that Becker has been vocal about Ethereum repeatedly, stating expectations for 3,000 ETH by week's end and discussing rotations into Ethereum as a signal for an upcoming alt season. It also shows his altcoin preferences, influence metrics, and online presence. It even has his picture included alongside his social media pages. Truly phenomenal, guys. Also, guys, one thing that I noticed is that there are two more modes that can give answers, funny and Trump mode. So let's just try these two modes real quick. So if we go to funny mode, let's ask, is Trump an AI coin? You can definitely see and hear the change of tone in the answer. Well, it looks like we've got a political meme party on Solana. The closest coin match for Trump is official Trump. You can see the complete answer plus more details on official Trump as well. Speaking of Trump, there's also another mode here called Trump mode. Let's just try this and ask him for advice. What coins should I invest in based on the top performing social media accounts? This is going to be fun. I can just imagine Donald Trump saying the answers to this. And as expected, it's like Trump answering you. Listen, folks, you want the best, you come to Trump. Definitely how Trump answers a question, guys, but it also gives its complete answer definitively and with stunning detail. This is phenomenal, guys. Now, is Chatoshi AI free to use? Well, guys, I found out that they offer both free and premium features. Casual users, you can benefit from the basic tools like Web3 browsing, scam detection, and certain AI-powered analytics, while crypto-savvy users can pay a small subscription fee to benefit from more advanced functionalities. I also found out that Chatoshi AI has a dedicated customer support which you can connect to 24/7. Revolutionary, guys. So, if you're looking for that intersection between artificial intelligence and comprehensive blockchain insights, Chatoshi will make your crypto journey simpler, safer, and more transparent. Check it out, guys.